In this video, I'll show you how to remove, clean out, and replace the air filter of a 2016 Sprinter. This is a 4-cylinder diesel, so your V6 might be slightly different. There's two tools that you'll need. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and a T25 Torx screw. You also need some rags or some paper towel to clean out the mess inside the filter. What we'll do first is remove the air filter hose simply by turning to the left, loosen it. Then we'll take our T25 screw, reverse it. There's 7 screws to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finally the 7th one. What you also need to do is remove this clip here. What you do is press on the little lever in the back with your fingers and then pull it straight to the left. That's it, you loosen it. Then what we do is lift up the housing, remove the hose on the left, remove the housing, lift it up, lift it over to the left, and put that aside. And then you can simply remove the air filter. And you can see how much guck there is right now. Found a leaf inside. And if you look a little bit closer, there's some guck inside which we'll clean out. We'll tap out the air filter, clean it out with an air compressor, and then put it back. Last time I changed this from new was at 113,389 kilometers. That was on February 1st of 2020. It's now January 9th, 2021, and I've got 135,000 kilometers on there. So this is still good to go. We'll just clean this out and put everything back. I'll show you how. So what I like to do is take a bit of paper towel, stuff it into the air intake hose so that none of the dirt or dust gets into the engine. And I'll take some paper towel and then I'll just wipe inside, clean out some of the dust. This is what I found inside, just a bit of dust and some old bugs, insects. Keep cleaning it out. So what I like to do is take my air compressor. I've got an air compressor in my garage, and I'll blow this part out, remove all the dust, and then I'll show you how I clean out the filter. So with that done, what I do normally is take my filter and then away from the engine normally, but I'll just blow with my air compressor the guckies that are on there. I do it from the top. This is the bottom, this is the top. I do it from the top because the air comes in through this way into the engine this way. So what I do is blow from the top, push it all out again. So I push it all out again as much as I can, and then replace the filter again since it's still in good shape. got most of the dirt off, the loose dirt. Now what we're going to do is stick it back in here. Now that it's clean, just replace it in there. Make sure the inner seals are inside the air box. And that's it. Now, just to reverse, I'm going to take this out. There's a little hinge at the back you'll have to put the slots into. These things here. Go. Push that down. What I'm going to do is put the air hose back on. I'll take my screwdriver, tighten this up so that the air hose doesn't fall off while we drive. There, secure. I'll put this clip back on. That's it. I'll take my screwdriver, my T25 Torx. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finally the 7th one. That's it. It's very simple to clean out your air filter, keeps your engine in good shape, allows your vehicle to breathe, and it's good to maintain your vehicle. So what I like to do now is use my air compressor and clean out any dust that is still in the engine compartment. That's it. If you like this and this helped you in any way, press the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, press the subscribe button. I really appreciate it if you did. And thanks for watching.